Useful Functions. 1. Edge Finding. Press Manual. F5. Edge Move. To specify a direction in Edge dir, Edge Move, select 0. Enter. Edge dir. Input Edge Finding Direction 0. X plus. Start. 2. Find Slot Center. Press Manual. Press F5. Edge Mode, select 1. Enter. Edge dir. Input expected search access direction code. Start. Start to search and next move to the slot center. 3. Find Hole Center. Press Manual. F5 Edge Move. Set to Center in Edge Mode. Enter. Start. 4. Angle Rotation. Press Manual. Press F9. Angle Move. Then set Start Position. In Start Position, select Access Direction Code. Enter. Start to start angle measurement. When measurement is done, angle value will come out in Access Angle column. Move to the green bar to X-axis angle and input AR. Enter to copy angle value to AR set it. AR set it will show input value. AR function enabled. And one column above on the screen graphic also show AR value in brightly red color. If you set 0 in column, AR set it enter, AR function will be disabled. Besides, you can also input PR in X-axis angle column. This can set any angle rotation value, copy to NC set it, PGM, ROT, angle. 5. Find Board Center. Board CP. Press Manual. Press F5. Edge Move. To choose direction code in Edge dir, enter. Start to start. When first edge action is done, then copy MC coordinate value to record PT0 by moving the green bar, input C and press enter. Move the wire to the other side. Change record number become 1. To choose direction code in edge direction, enter. Start. When second edge action is done, then copy MC coordinate value to record PT1 by moving the green bar, input C and press enter. Move the green bar to board CP, input go and press enter. Table will move the middle of the length, record PT0 and record PT1. Note, you must turn off AR before executing board CP. 6. Cylinder CP. Find cylinder center. This function is to find the center of a cylindrical object by locating 3 reference points, 1, 2, and 3 as shown as figure. 3 reference points could be anywhere around the cylinder as long as there is enough distance among them. Press Manual. 1. Use Remote Jack Controller. Move to reference point number 1. Press F5. Edge Move. Edge Search Mode. Change to 2. Hole Search. To choose direction code in Edge direction, enter. Start. When Edge action is done, then copy MC coordinate value to record PT0 by moving the green bar, input C and press enter. 2. Use Remote Jack Controller. Move to reference point number 2. To choose direction code in Edge direction, enter. Change record number becomes 1. Start. When edge action is done, then copy MC coordinate value to record PT1 by moving the green bar, input C and press enter. 3. Remote Jack Controller. Move to reference point number 3. To choose direction code in edge direction, enter. Change record number becomes 2. Start. When edge action is done, then copy MC coordinate value to record PT2 by moving the green bar, input C and press enter. Move the green bar to cylinder CP, input go, press enter, then work table will automatically move to the center of the cylinder. Note, you must turn off AR before executing cylinder CP. 7. Corner Move. Find corner position. Press Manual. F10. Corner move. Select 1 start position, 0 to 3 direction code. Enter. Set up the move distance, dx, dy, and input x15, y15. Move distance. Enter. Start. Then work table will move to the corner after measurement. 8. MEM zoom. MEM 1 to F10. MEM zoom is to enlarge or minimize a specific part of program route so that operators can closely check for any possible error. Function key applied for zoom are listed as follows. Home. Recover original scale. End. Zoomed from working field. Page up. Scaling at double times. Page down. Scaling at half times. INS. Display graph of last completed job. Delete. Zoomed from current position of cutting wire. Plus, minus. Enlarge, minimize frame size. Enter. Confirm.